Hello friends, my name is Sandeep Parikh. Today I am going to tell you a very wonderful story of siblings. So there was a family. In that family there were four members, parents and their two children. So the son's name was Ashok, he was 15 years old, and daughter's name was Rashmi, she was 11 years old. But unfortunately one day father died in an accident and the whole responsibility of the family fell on the shoulders of Ashok at this tender age. But so he had to look after his family now. So he quit his education and he decided to work for earning money. So he got a job with Sethji, Seth Hiralal. So Seth Hiralal gave him two options. One option was to work part-time, where his salary would be 4,000 rupees, or to work full-time, where his salary would be 8,000 rupees. But he would have to work from 9 o'clock in the morning to 9 o'clock at night. So he decided to do full-time work because he did not want his sister's education to stop. He wanted his sister to become a great person, an educated person, an accomplished person. So he sacrificed his rest, his education, almost his childhood for his sister, because he loved his sister the most in the whole world. So after some time, 5 years passed, and in those 5 years, Seth Hiralal realized that Ashok was a very diligent, means hardworking, sincere, intelligent, and most importantly, an honest fellow. So he started giving him more and more responsibilities. And by the time Ashok was 25 years old, he was a young man now, he started a small shop, and in the next 5 years, because of his hard work, because of his intelligence, because of his experience of that business, and Seth Hiralal also gave him advice from time to time. So Ashok became one of the richest persons of that town. And Seth Hiralal was mightily pleased with his performance, and he married his eldest daughter to Ashok. And Ashok married his sister Rashmi. Now she had also got postgraduate degree. Now she had become an accomplished, well-educated woman, a sophisticated woman. So he married his sister to Mohan. So Mohan was a young merchant and he was very hard-working, honest person. So Ashok knew that he would keep his sister happy throughout her life. So now both of them had got married. After some time, Ashok's wife gave birth to their first daughter. So Ashok was so happy that he invited his close friends and family members to celebrate with him. So in that function, he invited his sister, of course, and he invited his brother-in-law, Mohan, and he gave both of them a lot of respect. Particularly, he kept his sister with him the whole day. They talked about their childhood and so many things. And so he gave her the privilege of naming his daughter, as she was Bua, auntie of his daughter. So both of them were very, very happy to spend the whole day together. And they reminisced about their childhood, about their time together. And after that, again 4 years passed. But during these 4 years, now everything had changed. Unfortunately, Mohan had taken some bad decisions. And because of some bad luck and bad decisions, he lost his business. So condition was so bad that he had to sell his business, and he had incurred some debt. So for that he had to sell his house also. And he and his wife Rashmi started to live in a small 2-room rented house. Now they had become poor persons. On the other hand, Ashok's business had prospered, and his business had prospered with leaps and bounds. He had become the richest person, not of his town only, but of the whole district. He had developed relations with politicians, and he had made many friends. So he spent whole his time with rich people. So because of that company, continuously talking with rich people, so their arrogance, their hatred towards poor people had rubbed onto him. He also started slowly to think like them, that poor people are worthless, they were not hardworking, they were lazy, they were not intelligent, and they deserved to be poor. They deserved to be treated badly. So he did not respect poor people at all. He hated them. And now, as his sister had also become a poor person, slowly, unconsciously, he started staying away from her. He developed kind of abhorrence, hatred, or you can say indifference towards her. And for the last 2 years, he had not bothered to meet her. She had tried to visit him 4 or 5 times in the last 2 years, but every time he had not given her time. He had excused himself, and he had shown that he was too much busy, or sometimes he was busy, but even though sometimes he was not busy, he had not wanted to meet his sister. He had developed that indifference towards her. And this was an unconscious process, because every time he talked with his friends and politicians, and he only talked about money and how to earn more money, and so slowly he became a rude and cruel person towards poor people. So if his servants committed some mistake, he shouted at them. So after some time, his wife gave birth to a son. Again he invited his close friends, politicians, many people, but this time he did not invite his sister and his brother-in-law, because he felt intensely embarrassed. He thought that if he invited them, they would come in some auto, they had sold their cars also. And how could he introduce her to his close friends, his politicians' friends, who lived in bungalows and who went everywhere in their Mercedes cars, Rolls-Royce cars. So it would be great embarrassment and humiliation even to tell them that that woman in simple sari was his sister. So he avoided inviting her. So sister decided to go without invitation. So Mohan tried to stop her, that Ashok had not invited them. So how could she go? So she said that she did not require any invitation from her own brother. She was his family, and family members never required any invitation. She did not require any formal invitation from her own brother. So she went. But when she went there, she felt highly humiliated by her brother. He completely ignored her, as he was surrounded by his rich friends and politicians. He did not even show that he knew her. Very cursorily, superficially, he talked with her. He did not show her any respect. He did not give her this honor of naming his son. That honor was given to someone else. A rich politician's wife got that honor, and his own sister was ignored completely by him. So Rashmi could not believe her eyes, what was happening. So she returned home and she sobbed for a long time. She realized that her brother had changed and he had become completely money-minded. As she was not wearing any jewelry, she was only wearing simple Mangal Sutra. She was not rich. She did not go there in a big car. So her brother felt very embarrassed to show people that she was his sister. So she vowed that time, she resolved, she determined that time to become a rich person and to teach her brother a lesson and to get her brother back. So she started working hard. She started sewing ready-made clothes and she worked so hard. And whatever little jewelry she had, she sold everything, even Mangal Sutra, to start a small shop. And she worked there for 12 to 15 hours daily. And she sold her wear, she sold her clothes at very economical, very reasonable rates. And her customers went to her again and again because they got very high quality clothes at very reasonable rates. They kept going to her again and again. They took their relatives, their friends to her. In this way, in the next 5 years, because of her hard work and because Mohan had also started his own small business from the capital, she had earned. She gave that some money to her husband also to start his business again. And both of them worked really hard. And in the next 5 years, again, they had become actually more rich than they had been previously. Again, they bought a big bungalow. Again, they bought big shops. Now they had 5 shops in that town. And they had bought a big bungalow and 2 cars. And again, they were respected in the whole town. And when Ashok came to know that his sister had become one of the richest persons of the town and the area, again he started to communicate with her. And when his son's 5th birthday was there, so he invited her. Again he went to her home. He invited his brother-in-law, his sister, and requested them to be present at his son's 5th birthday. So Mohan did not go. He did not want to have anything to do with his brother-in-law. Because he has realized that he valued money. He did not value people. He did not value relations. Now he had become a very arrogant person, very money-minded persons. And Mohan completely wanted to stay away from him. He did not want to have anything to do with him. But Rashmi was his sister. She could not give up on her brother so easily. Her relation with her brother was very strong. Even now she loved her brother. And she decided to go. But this time she took her Mercedes car. She put on a lot of jewelry. She put on diamond brooch. She put on pearl necklace, bangles, 2-3 necklaces, and she went there. So this time Ashok welcomed her and he treated her as if nothing had happened. And he talked with her, he kept her with him. Both of them talked in very good manner. And he again gave her the honor of cutting the cake of his son's birthday. So he treated her with a lot of respect. And again they reminisced about their childhood and again about their time together. Finally, it was time to have lunch, and so lunch was there for very close people, those politicians and very affluent people, his friends, and he told his sister to sit beside him. And when the food was served, everyone started eating, but Ashok noticed that his sister Rashmi was not eating. She took one morsel and she held that morsel near her jewelry. First morsel near her diamond brooch, second morsel near her pearl necklace, third morsel near her bangles, golden bangles, and so she kept doing that. She tore one morsel and she held it near one item of jewelry. So he could not understand what she was doing. And suddenly he was afraid that whether his sister had gone insane, lunatic or what she was doing. So he stopped eating and he asked her what she was doing. So his sister told him that she was feeding to her jewelry because she could not eat because she had not been invited. How could she eat? Her jewelry had been invited. Her car had been invited. Her money had been invited. She had not been invited. So that's why she was feeding her jewelry. So Ashok was dumbfounded. He realized that whatever she was telling was truth. So Rashmi told him that 5 years before, when the son was born to Ashok, so that time she was the same sister. The only difference was that that time she had not been wearing jewelry. She did not have car. And that time Ashok had ignored her completely. He had shown that he did not even know her perhaps. He had been intensely embarrassed to show that she was his sister because she was not wearing any jewelry. She was wearing a simple sari. So now only the difference was this. So the jewelry had been invited. She had not been invited. So how could she eat? And there were tears in her eyes. And she reminded her brother that in her childhood, after their father's death, so her brother had accepted his whole responsibility. He had quit his education. He had sacrificed his own childhood to give her a good education, to make her life worth living, to make her an educated woman, an accomplished woman. So he had not even thought twice before quitting his own education, sacrificing his own childhood. And he had worked from 9 o'clock in the morning to 9 o'clock at night. His sister had been everything for him. And he had been everything for her. And now also he was everything for her. But for him now, money had become everything. He did not give value to relations now. For him, his sister was nothing if she did not have jewelry. He felt embarrassed to talk with her if she was not wearing jewelry. So Ashok realized that every word she uttered was the truth, and automatically tears started flowing through his eyes. And he wanted to apologize. He wanted to touch her feet, beg for forgiveness. Because he remembered that she was the same sister for whom one time he could die. He could do anything. And now for the same sister, He had not even invited, he had not even talked with the same sister 5 years ago. He had humiliated her. So he automatically started sobbing. He did not care that his rich, affluent friends, his politicians were looking at him. He did not feel embarrassed to cry, even though he was a grown-up person, to cry in front of everyone, to sob in front of everyone. And he sincerely asked for forgiveness from his sister. So both of them started crying and they hugged each other. And now, after many, many years, again he had become the same Ashok who was willing to do anything for his sister's happiness. And now Rashmi was the happiest person in the world, for she had got her brother Ashok, the same brother of her childhood again. For a long time they hugged each other. And again they became siblings of their childhood. So this was a story of siblings. It shows that the most valuable thing in the world is not money. Money is important, but more than money, your relations are important. Your siblings are important. Your parents are important. Your friends are important. Because money can be earned. Money comes and goes. But relations are permanent. They make our lives valuable, worth living. And the person who understands this has understood everything. So I hope that you like this story. So thank you for watching.